Have you ever wanted to create your very own video game? Or perhaps you came across a particular silly video and thought to yourself, I wonder, could I do that? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to teach you the difficult art of making shit games and then narrating them on YouTube. First, buy Game Guru and its 12 billion DLCs. The more DLCs you have, the more random shit you can use in your game. Then, think up a story. Just think up the dumbest idea you can and write a nonsensical script before you pass out at 4 AM. Once you have that wondrous story completed, you can design your characters if you want, but you don't have to. There are actually a lot of options already in the engine. Now, start making your map. Build up mountains as your boundaries and explore the entity library for ideas. Now that you have a basic map done, start populating it with objects. The more absurd and random, the better. Want to have a giant lemon fall from the sky? Do it! Nothing's off limits here, just go crazy. Now, start populating your map with a bunch of characters. You can either fight them or even just talk to them. And to add a bit of progression, place progressively better or worse weapons right before a battle. Once your map is complete, meaning you have a start and end point with a lot of fever dreamish areas in between, you can finally export the game. Use a program like OBS to record your journey, then open the game and just go insane. Play through it as though you've never seen anything like it before, but don't question the bizarre nature of your surroundings. You can narrate it live or in post, whatever's more comfortable for you. Once the recording is done, drop it into your favorite editing software and let your creativity explode through every orifice you are equipped with. If you didn't narrate it live, watch the raw footage a few times and come up with some jokes. Then use something like Audacity to record your voice over the footage. Nobody will know the difference. Drop your new audio in the timeline and sync it up. All you have to do now is make any adjustments you want and add some epic music to accompany your quest. Finally, export your masterpiece and plaster it all over the internet. Subscribe or your teeth will be transported directly into my pickle storage facility using a targeted teleportation device. Thank you.